Hello guys. So this is my setup before testing the video card. As I mentioned in my previous video about my graphics card, my R9 I'm going to be using toothpaste and oil cooking. So first off, I'm gonna try to clean up my GPU die. Yes. So I use this cloth soaked in alcohol. It actually works very good. Yes. And afterwards with a clean cloth, because it's very important that the toothpaste that I mixed to actually make contact, to have the thermal contact. Yes, otherwise it's not going to be good. Okay, so this is how it looked like, right? And right here I have the mixture that I mentioned in my previous video. This is my toothpaste. You can use a sponge or you can use a stick to so I use circles, as you can see in the video. As you can see right here, there is the oil leak. I use 4 drops of oil leak and the toothpaste itself. And the next step is to apply on the die. I'm going to be using a little more, so we can make sure the die is covered properly. You have to ensure that you can reach in the corners, all 4 corners of the GPU die. And in the middle. And after that you can reassemble the graphics card and you can test it out. So before we can do that, we're gonna have to clean the cooler too, as you can see. And then use the other cloth to firmly make sure it's dry, you know. Okay. The pads looks fine on the cooler, as you can see right here. There's a little debris right here. I think it's fine. And I'm gonna have to put it back, and I'm gonna show you how my video card actually works in the games and in other benchmarks, of course. Okay, see you then. Bye.